For our next microbit program, we're going to make the microbit flip a coin for us. I'm going to start with a blank program. If I don't have a blank program, remember you can go to Projects and click New Project to get a blank programming area. I'm going to remove on Start, and I'm going to remove Forever, so I have a blank coding area to work with. For this piece of code, we're going to have it flip a coin when we press the button. So I'm going to go to Input, and I'm going to choose On Button A Pressed. Now I need to tell it what to do if someone presses that button. I'm going to go down to Logic, and on my Logic menu, I'm going to get If, Then, Else. Not If, Then. The second one, If, Then, Else. So I'm going to snap that in to my On Button A pressed, and then I want it to pick randomly whether my coin is going to be heads or tails. So I'm going to go to Math, and I'm going to get Pick Random, True or False. And I'm going to put that where the true box is. Once I have that snapped in, it's going to choose randomly whether it's going to be heads or tails. And I have to show it what to put on the screen for each one. So I'm going to go up to Basic. And on the Basic menu, I'm going to get Show Icon. And I'm going to put one here in the Then box. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to get one more and put it in the Else box. Now, by default, these show the heart, but we're going to change that. I'm going to click, and for heads, we're going to grab the little skull icon right here. Then, for tails, I'm going to do the same thing for the second block. And this time, I'm just going to pick the plain square down here at the bottom. This is going to be my tails icon. So now, if I press button A, it should randomly pick heads or tails for me. But let's make this a little bit more interesting. Let's have our microbit show an animation of a coin flipping. I'm going to go back to Basic, and I'm going to get Show Icon, and I'm going to put it above my If Then Else box. So it's going to be right underneath On Button A. And I'm going to do that 3 more times. So I'm just going to keep grabbing Show Icon, snap it in, back to Basic, Show Icon, snap it in, and one more time so I get my 4th one, back to Basic, Show Icon. So now I should have 4 show icons followed by my If Then Else. For these icons, I'm going to click on my button again, and down here I'm going to start with this one, the diamond. For the second one, I'm going to get the small diamond down here. Third one is going to be the large diamond again. And the last one here is going to be the small diamond again. This is going to make an animation that looks like a coin flipping. So now when I press the A button, I should see my animation followed by either heads or tails. And that's all you need to do. So we're going to call this one coin. So down at the bottom, erase where it says untitled. Call it coin. Click share. Once you get the share menu, click publish project. After you've published, you're going to click the copy button to copy the link. Go to the assignment in Classroom, open the assignment, click add, choose link, paste your link in, and don't forget to turn it in. Once you've turned it into Classroom, come back to your microbit page, download it onto your microbit, and test it out.